Hello business people, welcome to this business name registration course. This is a primer tutor beginners course and I am your instructor Don John. Before we begin, let me appreciate you for taking this course. It's one of the best decisions you've ever taken in setting up your business. Alright, so let's look at what we have in stock for you in this course. So I'll be taking you through who this course is for. I'll get to explain who and who needs to take this course. Then we'll move on to the benefits of registering your business. After that, we'll conduct a name search. We'll create a profile with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria, and we'll make a business name reservation. All this you are going to see the step-by-step process in a short while. And we'll move on to the actual registration of your business name, where you'll get to fill in all the forms and upload all the necessary documents, make the payments and everything. Then we'll move on to respond to queries if there are any. Then lastly, you get your approval and download your certificate, that is your business name registration certificate. Then on the other part, you are going to go ahead and get your TIN number, and you'll be doing that from the Joint Tax Board. Then you download the certificate. So you just stay in the comfort of your room, register for your TIN number and download the certificate right into your computer. Then you move on to explore the benefits of getting a corporate bank account. After that, I'll show you the requirements. Then you get the tips on how to open a corporate bank account, a very easy way, and then you'll be done with the course, where I'll be telling you congratulations. Guys, this is a loaded course. It is fully loaded, so I urge you to stay on and complete this course. So let's get started. Who is this course for? First, this course is for aspiring entrepreneurs. What do I mean by aspiring entrepreneurs? That means people that have the dream of starting their own businesses. Okay, that means you aspire to be an entrepreneur. You need to take this course, because it doesn't matter whether you want to start it this year or you want to start it in 5 years time. You need to register your business. After that, the next set of persons that need this course are new business owners operating illegally. Why do I say they are operating illegally? Because they are not recognized by government. Okay, that means if you just started your business, you've not registered your business, it means you're not registered by government, you are not paying your taxes. So you need to get this course so that you can register your business the easy way. It's also for old business owners who are operating illegally. It's almost the same thing like the new business owner, just that you have been operating for quite some time, and we have quite a number of them. Some operate for 5 years, some operate for 10 years, and they are yet to legalize their business by registering with the Corporate Affairs Commission, and they have not been paying tax. Now these people might think they are gaining, but believe me, what they have lost is far more than the tax that they have not been paying. Okay, the thing is, I'm yet to see somebody that, or a business that is a multinational business or even a national business with branches in different states, that is yet to open to register with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now when you register with the Corporate Affairs Commission, you get your bank account, and this is one thing that is very important. Alright, so whether you are an old business owner, a new business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, this course is for you. The last set of people that needs to take this course is people that needs to earn an extra income. Okay, so if you want to earn an extra income, this course is also for you. By the time you get this skill, you can use it to also register for clients. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how you can do this and also get clients as well. So you can register to clients, charge them from 20,000, 25,000 or 30,000 and begin to make money even as a business person. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next video.